Hello and welcome back. When we talk about Canada, the three things that come to mind first are Niagara Falls, Banff, and Jasper. Hop along with us on a trip to Banff and Jasper as we start our 3,000 odd kilometers trip from Vancouver. Our route took us past Hope, Merritt, Kelowna, Vernon, Enderby, Sicamous, Revelstoke, Golden, onwards to Canmore. Bestowed bountifully with natural beauty, lakes, rivers, mountains, and vast prairies, Canada never fails to impress and inspire. You can pause the video for a detailed view of the points of attraction in Banff National Park and find more details in the description below. We chose Canmore as a base for Banff National Park, as it's ideally located to explore the park and offers a wide spectrum of modern accommodation and restaurants. Banff town has inspired visitors for centuries and is perched alongside the meandering Bow River, offering excellent choices for shopping, accommodation, and exploring the national park. Nestled within the Canadian Rockies, Banff and Jasper National Parks have inspired visitors from across the globe to experience these parks and will continue to entice visitors into repeated visits, as you can never have enough of these parks. No matter which season you choose to visit, the parks will still have something to inspire you with and leave you with memories of a lifetime. The drive from the southern entrance of Jasper National Park on Highway 93 North offers breathtaking and stunning views of the Canadian Rockies while driving north towards Jasper town. The northward drive will take you past Hector Lake, Bow Lake, Peto Lake, Waterfalls Lake, and the Saskatchewan River crossing. You can pause the video for a detailed view of the points of attraction in Jasper National Park and find more details in the description below. The quaint town of Jasper offers good accommodation, restaurants, and shopping. It's a great staging point for taking small excursions in and around town to explore Jasper National Park. The Columbia Icefields Discovery Center is the staging point for tours to Athabasca Glacier, Icefields Skywalk, and the Sunwapta Lake. Viewing areas alongside the Athabasca River, the Athabasca Falls, and the Edge of the World Trail are places one should visit. Excursions to Maligne Lake and the cruise is highly recommended. Even though most people visit these parks during the spring, summer or fall, winter gives another dynamic to its ever-changing landscape. The drive back to Vancouver from Jasper National Park is equally engrossing with many vantage points along the way. We chose to drive towards Mount Robson and onwards to Valemount, Blue River, Clearwater, Kamloops before taking the Coquihalla Highway to Hope onwards to Vancouver. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe to Mile Mantra on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. After subscribing and following us, also click on the bell icon to be notified of newer uploads. Your suggestions will inspire us to improve our content and make it more appropriate.